My name is Martin Fries and I'm from the German Aero Space Center, DLR, located in Stuttgart, Germany. My research area is ceramic matrix composites manufacture and characterization, as well as the development of various kinds of materials based on ceramic fibers and a ceramic matrix. I want to get knowledge about what you are doing here in US on this extremely exciting field and see what we can do with this knowledge in Germany to further develop materials. One big potential of these materials is to build up ceramic matrices for CMC materials and also coatings for oxidation resistance and corrosion resistance.